Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robho Demure. Hey, if you're new. Also, if you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button if my content is what you like to see on YouTube. So let's get straight into the video. I know you're thinking like, whoa sis. I mean, I'll be thinking whoa sis too because my hair look good. My hair's late. I know, you don't have to tell me, I know. My hair is late for the gods and I have a new color. So this new hair that I have installed in is by a company called Wiggins Hair. This is actually my first time working with them and so far so really good because I'm very impressed by this hair. I'm sure you guys are wondering from the title, just get straight to the point because I want to know how you got the color. Okay. As you guys can see, this is a really nice like cherry red. Yes, you read it right, I did not bleach this hair and I didn't dye this hair. Basically this hair came pre-dyed, pre-everything. You can buy the bundles and the frontal already colored like this. You know when you dye hair, this is what I don't like about like dyeing hair, but you know when you dye hair and you want to like wash your wig and reapply it, and when you have like hair that's been dyed and you wash the wig, all the dye eventually like runs out and it's just a hot mess. So I love the fact that this hair came pre-done. Everything was done. The frontal came as it is. Well, obviously my stylist bleached it, but I'll get into that in a second. So Wiggins Hair is an AliExpress vendor, and like I said, this is my first time working with them and this is actually my first few bundles from them. So I got 3 bundles and a frontal. Yes, only 3 bundles. So I got 3 bundles of I believe 22 inches times 3, and then I got a 20-inch frontal. As soon as I got the hair, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't even look at it and I sent it straight off to my stylist, who is Hair by Kelly, who installed it for me, and obviously she did a great job, which she normally does. She installed the hair for me with, I think it's Ghost Bond glue, and she like did like a crimping style, and as soon as I put it on my Instagram, you guys were going crazy asking me so many questions about the hair. So I thought, let me boss you lot. Let me boss you. I'm trying to be like Miss Unfabulous. I'm definitely not Miss Unfabulous. So in regards to shipping, the hair came pretty fast. It came within, to be fair, I don't really pay attention to like when I send the email when I receive the hair, which is really bad, but it came quite quickly. I wasn't waiting a long time to receive the hair, and also I didn't receive any custom fees, which is good. No custom fees, and the shipping was pretty fast. I believe it was DHL as well. So when the hair came, the packaging that the hair came in was pretty standard, literally just plastic bags. It did come like in a white silk like baggie. So yeah, it came like in like a satin like bag, which was really nice. So I did ask Kelly how she found the hair. She said that the hair was very silky and very soft, but she did have a few problems with the frontal. She mentioned that the frontal was a little grey and it was a little bit hard to bleach the knots of the frontal, if I can remember correctly, but obviously she made it work because the frontal looks great. By the way, if you have seen me slipping, I haven't glued down this part because I can't be bothered. I'm going to bed after this. I glued down this part. I tried as much as I could. I'm not Kelly, but I tried. This year I really want to experiment with color, and the fact that I didn't have to do anything to this hair and it just came like this is a plus and a plus. Okay, it's such a beautiful color. Another thing I really like about this hair is this, like, it's very silky. I can't remember, I can never remember like what texture I get. I know it's straight, but I don't know if it's like Brazilian straight, but of course I'll put it in the description box. The texture of this hair is super silky. It glides through my hands so easily because you guys know I do not mess with stiff hair, no. Another thing I really like about this hair is that you don't need a lot of bundles to make the wig look full. I only have in 3 bundles, which is the standard, but sometimes 3 bundles with longer lengths can look quite thin, and this hair does not look thin whatsoever. So I'm going to turn around. Sorry, I was just like scratching my neck. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. So as you guys can see, we got some body. Let me just pull this bit to the front so you guys can see. Overall, so far this hair is bomb AF. The only thing I would say is that I wish that the lace was a little bit thinner. I wish that the lace wasn't as grey, but that could be easily fixed with some tweaking if you're really good at frontals, or if you just give your frontal to a really good stylist who can easily fix that for you. But the best part about this hair is that it did not have to go through bleaching. It came like this. I think this is super bomb and it's super cute. So since Kelly crimped the hair and made it into like the glamorous style, I've since washed it and conditioned it. When I washed it, I did experience some shedding, and I don't like wet hair. Like, it's like a pet peeve of mine. I don't know if this is just me or anyone else, but I really I detest, like, it makes me so sick to see like wet hair. So I really don't like washing my hair, first of all. And I don't like having like strands of hair on my hands. So I did experience a little bit of shedding when I washed it. However, I did expect for the whatever was put in it, like maybe like the chemicals or the dye, to run a little bit, and to my surprise there was no running of dye. I expected for like my whole bathroom to look like a bloody fest. I expected there to be red everywhere, because in the past when I've washed my coloured wigs, there's been like colour everywhere, like, and I have white walls. It's not cute. But there was, to my surprise, there was no hair dye anywhere. When I washed it, literally clear water came out. I might do a video on like how I like start to finish of this hair, like how I put it on, how I wash it, how I condition it, similar to a video that I've done in the past which you guys really enjoyed. It was so super soft when I conditioned it. I can, you know when you put conditioner you're like, yeah, this is gonna be good, this is gonna be soft. Like literally I just knew this hair was going to feel like butter, and it does. The only product I used in it was obviously my Got To Be to lay down my frontal, and a little bit of my argan oil, but I personally don't like putting too much product on my hair when I'm styling it. Please put down below any styling videos you'd like me to do on this hair for my next video, and I'll try and get that out for you guys. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the hair, I'll leave the email address, the Wiggins hair, down below. If you have any question pertaining to Kele or me, I'll leave Kele's Instagram handle below. And if you have any question pertaining to like me, leave them down below, and I'll try my hardest to answer your question. Thank you so much to Wiggins hair for sending me this hair. It's beautiful. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye guys. Mwah.